Okay, so this is our room. Look to your right.
No way.
Yeah.
What the fuck? No way. My God. Alright, yo, what's going on, guys? So a lot of you guys asked for me to make vlogs. So, you know, this is more kind of like a vlog, but not a full vlog because I won't be showing the entire thing. But, you know, it's closer to a vlog than a POV. But, you know, I'm just going, it's like my birthday is Saturday, the 23rd. But I'm going to like a hotel. I don't know what hotel it is. My girlfriend surprised me with it. So I still don't know which one it is yet. But yeah, so I'm just driving right now. It's like an hour and 30 minutes away from here. And look, you guys want to see my car. Look how packed I can't even see out of my rear view thing. But yeah, it's fucking packed. And the cake. Look at that. But yeah, I'll show you guys, you know, this is a new steering wheel though. I'm pretty sure you guys already see my last POV, but yeah, this is not going to be a POV though. You know, I'm just driving right now. I'll give you guys like an update when I'm almost there. Such a big nature person. Fuck, imagine my car was modded on here. Slammed to the ground, nice wheels, nice exhaust. Just imagine. I gotta come back here in a couple months after my car is modded, eh? I will drive this for this kind of view.
All the roads down here are like that.
Yo, look at that, bro. Nah, I should make a POV here. And all the roads are like this.
Yeah, when you
Nah, this is gonna be the longest video ever because I'm recording this whole thing. Shit, I'm gonna make a clip for a reel. Ah, look at that. Now you need a modded car in here. Look at that. Fuck, my car is stock as it gets. Alright guys, so I literally just pulled up here. I just brought some stuff to the room. I'm coming back to my car for some more, but look at this Porsche that's parked up beside me. That's just fucking nice. I think bro's in there. The whole shit, I'm telling you guys, it ain't going nowhere, bro. Trust me, get yourself a good girl and you'll be chilling. But yeah, for real, this word though, take my word for it. The hotel, this is what it's called. I don't know if it's AX or AX, one of them though, but it has crazy views though. That's why she picked here, because she knows like I'm obsessed with like nature views. Like in the back there, you guys can see it's all mountains, and we have the top floor, and her room is one of the last room, one of the last, like it's on the edge of the building, you know. So it's gonna be sick. I'm gonna be showing you guys everything, you know, like the pool, all of that kind of stuff. Inside is crazy nice as well, but I'm show you guys that in a second. I'm just gonna get some more bags. I still have a bunch of bags in the trunk. I'm gonna grab those, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with everything. Yo, the Porsche is moving now. Look at that shit. He definitely knows I'm recording. I don't care though. I think he's chill. Look at that. I love the lights on Porsches. It just look like stars, bro. This is a bad thing. My God. Rich.
Okay, so this is our room. So you walk in, the king bed, and then the bathtub. To fix those balloons, and then here's just the regular bathroom. Yeah, there's a shower. But that is what it looks like, and I'm gonna set up and then I'll show you guys after.
I was gonna drive my car around. I was gonna park it right here for like a video, but my car is stock, so it's really not the same vibe, you know. So I just didn't bother to do it. But look at that. There's a little hot tub over there. It's crazy. I think it's a pool, but it's just heated. Or is it a hot tub? I can't really see, but yeah. Like the hotel is not like a high-rise crazy like city thing. It's more of like a nature thing, you know. That's my vibe though. That's just what I prefer. That's why my girlfriend did this one. But I'm just gonna show you guys the lobby. My hands are packed. Look how much shit I got in my hand because I gotta record with the other hand. Oh, there's a bunch of people there. I don't want to record no one. Yeah, that's the weirdest elevator ride I've ever been in. There's like 2 other people in there. I don't think they spoke English though, because I was trying to make a convo for it not to be weird, but no one said back anything. But yeah, I'm going to the room, so I'll show you guys everything after that.
Open it.
Back again.
Okay, go.
Hey, how do you get that?
Okay.
I almost stepped on one. Yeah, wait.
The 2 is backwards.
Oh, wait. How do you get it that dark?
I shut the curtain.
Should I get my shoes
Look
off?
to your right.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
And look at all the photos. There's photos there, photos over there, photos there, photos of the thing there. And look behind you. Those are sparklers.
You got
right?
yeah, guys. I just saw this. This thing is fucking crazy. I'm gonna throw the clip in when I walked in because we recorded that too. Nah, the bed even has light. The bed even has light. Like,
yeah, it's LED.
they have like a levitating bed.
Oh, the 2 is backwards.
Nah, that's crazy. That's just fucking crazy. Look at this, guys. You gotta make it be for real, eh? With your guys' help, that can be for real. This is the year you go viral.
It's a sparkler. Yeah, I showed it in the video, but there's no
Oh,
sound.
the 20 is a sparkler.
Yeah, it's a sparkler.
Oh.
You hit it, and that's why when you... It's a sparkler. It goes down the 2.
Well, you guys already saw all of this before I even did. But see, this is the year you go viral. You guys got to make it happen. Only you guys can help me to make it happen. You know, 2020, well, not this year. It's not going to be this year. It's not going to be 2023, but it's going to be 2024 because the year is pretty much done. That's the good part about my birthday. It's at the end of the year. So it's always like I turn a new age, then the new year starts. Pretty sick. For this thing, nah, that's crazy. I don't want to make the video too long, but there's so much I can't not make it long. Like, look at all this. This is fucking crazy. That's not real. I haven't opened the card yet though, so I'm gonna read it now. I'm gonna read it off camera though to see what it is about first.
This is... Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Just the lobby. You can see the hot tub. Oh, look at the cute little chairs. It's a corkscrew. We can go up to the door. There's this seating area, downstairs, some chairs, the front desk.
I'm not even the cameraman today no more. Nope.
No, I've taken over as the cameraman, guys. This is a hot tub. This isn't a pool. And then there's a sauna outside, but that's a hot tub. Yeah, so nice. So pretty. This is such an odd color, but it's actually like, it looks nice in here. You don't think?
How weird.
How weird, nobody even knows what you look like on your own channel. Oh, this is so cute, the bar. So cute. Look at their Christmas tree, guys. Like, everyone's in the Christmas spirit. Who doesn't like Christmas? Guys, we're literally heading to the pool with our drinks.
You shouldn't even talk.
No, but it's literally colored, so we're definitely gonna get caught, but yum. Why is it so close? Oh, there we go. Guys, look at my new slippers.
You showing everything.
Okay, guys, so we're going to the heated pool.
Okay,
Look how
guys,
pretty.
Shut
up. Yeah, I know. I could be a vlogger, guys, right? Look how pretty. Like, just the background.
At least you remember.
You're walking in a nature forest, not on a treadmill. That's what you gotta remember. Okay, so you go out here. Every mirror is like mirrored.
It's cool.
Oh, it's freezing. Okay, so that's a sauna right there.
Is it closed?
And this is just a fire. No, it closes at 10:30. Fire. Oh, hon, I'll show you the sauna. Come. Oh, there's people in there. Okay.
No one to film.
I didn't film the people. Imagine.
I can't even make a proper video, but that's a sauna right there, and this is a hot tub. But I'll probably go in there after, I don't know.
You can.
But yeah, there's people in the pool, so I don't want to record them too much and be weird.
Over there.
You can't really see it. You can't see nothing. There's hella mountains over there. This just sick. I showed it earlier though. I think you guys saw that.
Wake up at 6 a.m. for sunset.
You're not gonna be up at 6.
How pretty it is.
Guys, in this thing, this fucking sun, it's way hotter than I thought. Like, to be honest, I've never been in one. I've never been in the sun. I didn't even know this is the thing that heated up. I don't know what I thought it was, but it's fucking hot. I was in this shit for like a minute, and I can't stay no longer. That shit's fucking hot. Guys, I'm literally the worst vlogger. We just bought this thing. Literally as cheap as McDonald's. And you got this whole box full. I was supposed to show you guys, but I'm just so not used to vlogging. I forgot to show it. Then after I'm done eating, I'm like, yeah, look at that over there. But yeah, after I finish it, I'm like, shit, I should have vlogged that. Just because I'm really just looking around, seeing everything. I'm not remembering to vlog because I'm not a vlogger. I'll get there eventually. But I literally just dusted this whole thing. I'm so full. No way, yo, check this out. That's the hotel down there. And we just checked out and everything. We're just leaving now. But check out this thing. So this is where you use Nah, that's crazy. I've never done any of this shit before. Think of that. Imagine putting the F30 on this. You'd definitely fuck it up. That's sick. Look at the view though. I'll definitely come to this spot again though. It's a good hotel. But yeah, we already got everything in the car. And yeah, there's hella Porsches here. I just saw another one. And the black one I showed you in the clip earlier, that's still here. I thought he left, but I guess he just went out and come back for something. But I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, you know, that's pretty much it. There was another blue Porsche this morning though, but that's about it for this video. Just let me know if you guys like these kind of vlogs. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.